as Kunal is ready, and let's understand from him what is there on his charts in terms of the short to medium term positioning. Kunal?
So Nikunj, it's on IDFC First Bank, and what we've tried to analyze is how the charts for IDFC First Bank has shaped up in the very recent short-term time scale. So the stock, which was consolidating over the last 2 or 3 weeks, was getting into a range-bound kind of an action, and just very recently is the stock heading towards a classical breakout. So this is what we call it as a consolidation. The stock moving into a range where it gets into a resistance band. This is the resistance for the stock price. And the supports in a consolidation are also rising. So we preempt a breakout, and the moment the stock shows that first sign of candlestick pattern breakout is where we expect the breakout to happen pretty soon. Today, IDFC First Bank has hit back towards the lifetime high, all-time high levels, crossing the levels of 85 for itself, which means that the pattern target for IDFC First Bank is almost 10 rupees of this consolidation. So with a breakout of 84, we can expect 94 as an immediate target for IDFC First Bank. So a classical breakout from another mid-cap private sector banking stock.
Sure. Nooresh, what's the Chartbuster on your radar?
So that's a chart for GAIL India. Now, this is an interesting chart. If you look at it, it's a dividend adjusted chart. The stock is hitting a new all-time high, just a point away from that. On the shorter term basis, a nice cup and handle formation, 3 to 4 attempts done around that 112 to 114 mark. Classical formation here, good enough consolidation done for the last 2 years as well as for many years now. So the stock could be setting up a new trend. We've seen this happen with a lot of other PSU names. So this could be the next one. The cup and handle formation has a target price of 150 in the medium term. A buy at current level, stop loss at 107.
Okay, let's get in those top recommendations going. Kunal, what's looking good on the charts today?
Grasim is the first stock which I would suggest as a buy. The stock is trading at 1800 levels approximately. So with a target of 1900. Would suggest a buy with a target stop loss at 1777. And AB Capital is also managing to come back after a couple of weeks of consolidation. The risk reward is extremely attractive at current levels of 188 where the stock is trading. So 200 as a target, stop loss at 183.
Okay, there you have it. Those are Kunal's top recommendations, Grasim and AB Capital. Let's find out what Nooresh is picking out as his top bets. And I see Grasim on your radar too.
Yeah, so Grasim is also on the radar. The first one is ONGC. The stock has given a breakout about the 170 mark. Good 52-week high cup and handle formation here as well. Stop loss at 166, target price of 190. Second is a buy on Grasim, finally sustaining about that 1800 mark. Could see some momentum over the next few sessions. Stop loss at 1780, target price of 1950.
Thanks very much for running us through your top recommendations.